All right, folks, we have here a fantastic power chair. This is the Jazzy Carbon Lightweight Power Chair. Again, the newest addition to the Pride Mobility line, the Jazzy Carbon Lightweight Power Wheelchair, Foldable Power Wheelchair. This is a foldable power chair. This power chair will fold without the battery pack. It'll weigh 39.6 pounds. With the battery pack, it'll weigh 43.6 pounds with the battery pack. This is one of the lightest weight built power chair on the market. It's all carbon fiber. This power chair has a weight capability of 300 pounds. It can travel up to 9.3 miles on one battery charge. The battery in here is approved for airline transportation. So this chair only comes with one battery. It's approved for airline transportation and all other usage. So if you need an extra battery, you can also order an extra battery. The tires on the back are 8.5-inch solid tires. The tires on the front are 7-inch solid tires. Again, the seat on this chair is 17 by 17, a real nice seat. You have a safety belt right here. You also have between the arms, in case you need to know, is 18 inches between the arms right here, folks. You have a kind of a contoured back cushion. You have, as you can see, the foot plate does flip up. Also, we have a smaller joystick. This joystick can be taken off. So if you look over here on the side right here, there's a little thing. You unscrew it and then you pull it apart. After you unscrew it, pull it apart, and then you can just take the joystick off and keep it in your purse. Look how small that is, folks. That way you don't damage the joystick when you move it around. If you're left-handed, you can also use the joystick on this side just by taking this little cap off and switching sides. So just be careful when you put the joystick in, not to force it. It clicks in here, okay? Then you turn it back on. And whenever you turn it on, you'll always hear that beep. So let's see how this chair folds, and we'll go over some of the other instrument about the chair in a second here. So to fold this chair, right back here, there's a little lever. All you have to do is pull that lever and push down on the chair. And now you have your chair right here, folks. Look at this. Okay. So right now the way it's folded is 43.6 pounds. Okay. If you take the battery out, and the battery is right here, there's a clip, pull the clip. There's your 4-pound battery. And by the way, you can charge this battery inside your house. So if you take the battery and leave the chair in the car, this is where you charge your battery right there. This is your 4-pound battery. Now, your weight is 39.6 pounds, folks. The battery slides back in. So when you put the battery back in, you have a track. So you want to fall right in the track. And then you got to snap it in. It's kind of a hard snap to do. So this is what you're looking at, folks, on your power chair. When you put it back down, hold the lever, pull the back up, and you're ready to go already. Okay? So as I said, the chair has a 300-pound weight capability, a removable joystick. The arms also in this chair does flip up. Look at that, folks. You don't see that too often in fold-up wheelchairs. Okay? And you can see, I'm going to turn the power back on. Now, if you want, like this chair also has a beep. If you want the chair to beep when you back up, what you have to do, if you want the chair to beep, is hold the top right button and the bottom left button together until it beeps. And now you will always have a beeping, it would be these two on the right side. And now when you go back, you will have your beeping. If you want to stop the beeping, you don't want the beeping every time you back up, hold the top right button and the bottom left together down till it beeps. That eliminates the beeping sound going backward. This is how your chair looks when you turn a circle. And if we look at the back of the chair, you have a large bag right here. You can carry your charger in here and your owner's manual back in here. You have right here 2 motors. These are brushless motors. There's no brush in these motors. These are 250 watt each. They're tied right to the motor, 250 watt each motor. If I want to roll this chair, you would turn the power off, because the reason you turn the power off, you don't want no resistance. Turn the power off if you want to roll it. Push the levers down. And now, if you just want to have someone, you want to push them around like this, you can see how easy it rolls in neutral, okay? So you can physically push someone. You have a push bar right here, which has a good rubber grip on it all the way around. When you're done pushing the chair, just always remember, put it back in gear. I'm gonna turn the power back on. I wanna show you the suspension. So you have suspension back here in the back, one here. And you also have the same suspension in front right here on both forks right there. You can see the suspension in front, okay? Also with this chair, you have what's called tip wheels that can be adjusted. There's a little lever inside right here. You can feel it. I'm gonna push it in. I can pull these all the way out to here on both sides. So the lever allows you to go as far as you want, okay? This would be all the way out. If you don't want to use them, push them in, and then they're retracted in, okay? So the chair itself, let's do about the dimensions. The chair is 24 inches wide, okay? The length is 37 inches long. Again, the total distance you'll get on the battery charge is 9.3 miles. The speed is going to be 3.7 miles an hour. When you charge this chair, you will take your charger right here that comes with your chair, and you will plug it right here, right below the joystick right there. And you also have a USB port right here, right where my finger is. You can charge your phone right there. You can also charge the chair with the charger that comes with your chair. There's your port that goes in here, and you charge your chair. You can also take the battery in the house and charge the chair in the house with your battery. So you also have a bag right here. You can carry quite a bit of stuff in this bag. It's a zipper bag, so when you put your stuff in there, you zip it and you're safe. So we're going to recap about this power chair. So this is a Jazzy carbon lightweight foldable electric wheelchair. One of the lightest power chairs on the market. It's carbon fiber. It's made with carbon fiber. That's why the weight is way down. You have a lithium battery pack in here that will give you about 9.3 miles on a battery charge. If you would like to have another battery pack, you can always order a second battery pack. They only weigh 4 pounds, okay? You have arms that flip up. You have the joystick that can be taken off, as I said, just by unscrewing it here and untying it right here where my finger is. You can take the joystick off. You have a safety belt. The seat is 17 by 17. You have 18 inches between the arms. You have a carbon fiber foot plate. You have suspension all the way around the chair. You have 4 shocks all the way around the chair. You have brushless motors, 2 motors, 250 watt each. 8.5 inch tires here in the back, 7 inch tires in the front. It comes with a charger, safety belt. The chair is 24 inches wide, 37 inches long. But what's really good about this power chair is the total weight without the battery is 39.6 pounds. If you leave the battery in there, it's 43.6 pounds. Very, very manageable. And at this point, if you have a loved one, you want to go to short trips, you want to go, this will be the perfect chair. If you don't have a lift and you have a car or an SUV, it'll fold very small and you're ready to, very compact. So this will be a really nice chair. Again, this is the Jazzy carbon lightweight power electric wheelchair. So this is the Jazzy carbon lightweight electric fold-up wheelchair. This power chair only weighs 39.6 pounds without the battery. With the battery inserted, it's 43.6 pounds. This is a very easy power chair to drive. When you push the joystick forward, it takes off really, really slow. So the top speed is 3.7 miles an hour, but it does take maybe 30 feet to get to that speed. It takes off real slow, and then you'll feel that burst of speed, well, 3.7 miles, whatever burst of speed that is. But it'll go up to 3.7 miles, very easy to drive. So if you have a person who's a little ticklish with the joystick, this is a very easy one to drive. So it will go in the grass, but it has to be perfect grass. This is really not a yard chair, but if you happen to go through a, sorry about that. If you happen to go to a manicured yard, perfect yard, it should go through as long as you keep going straight, but it's really not a yard chair. Again, this chair will go 9.3 miles on one battery charge, top speed 3.7 miles. The width is about 24 inches, the length is 37 inches, the seat is 17 by 17 with 18 inch between the arms. You got a weight capability of 300 pounds. The joystick is removable. You can also put it on the left side if you're left-handed. Extra fast charging lithium battery, solid 8.5 inch tires in the back, 7 inch tires in the front. Brushless, 2 motors, 250 watt motors, folds real easily with one snap, suspension all the way around. So if you're looking for a lightweight, fold up power wheelchair, this would be a great one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.